In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Drive to Canva seamlessly. This simple integration can make it much easier to access and use your content on Canva, streamlining your creative process significantly. Whether you're preparing a presentation, designing a poster, or creating social media graphics, having your Google Drive connected can be a real time saver. So let's get started. First off, you want to navigate to your Canva dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you're not logged in just yet, take a moment to do that. Once you're all set, you'll be taken to the home page where you can see all your recent designs. Now on the left side of the Canva interface, you'll notice a navigation panel. It has options like Home, Templates, and Projects. Among these options, look for the Apps section. It's usually towards the bottom. Go ahead and click on Apps. Once you've clicked on Apps, you'll be directed to a new screen that allows you to explore various integrations and additional features Canva has to offer. In the search bar, simply type Google Drive. After typing, you should see Google Drive pop up as an option. Click on Open. This step is crucial as it initiates the connection process between your Canva account and Google Drive. Now, Canva will guide you through connecting your Google Drive. You'll likely be prompted to log into your Google account if you're not already logged in. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you select the one where your desired files are stored. Follow the on-screen instructions. Canva will request permission to access your Google Drive. This is entirely safe and necessary for the connection to be established. So go ahead and grant the necessary permissions. After allowing access, Canva will confirm that your Google Drive is now successfully connected. You'll be able to see your Google Drive files directly within Canva, which is a fantastic feature for enhancing your workflow. Whenever you're working on a design, you can easily pull in documents or images straight from your Google Drive without having to leave Canva. It's that simple. And just like that, you're done. As you continue designing in Canva, you'll notice how convenient it is to have your Google Drive assets at your fingertips. This connection really opens up possibilities for efficient file management and creative explorations, freeing you from the hassle of manually downloading and uploading content. Now that you've successfully connected Google Drive to Canva, you can enjoy the added ease and flexibility in your design projects. Remember, the more seamless your tools are, the more you can focus on your creativity and productivity. Thanks for following along and happy designing.